Hello everyone, welcome to the farm. I want to take you around the farm today because we are completing the fencing. Now this has been a very difficult task and expensive as well, but by God's grace today we are closing because at first we only had land where we had put the building, but now we went on buying more pieces of land until we got space where the hens will be moving freely. We take animal welfare seriously, and it's the first thing that we put in mind before we do anything. So we want them to be safe from the thieves, but we want also them to be able to move freely, be able to eat the termites and greens out, such that they will not be as though they are in prison. We know that when hens are free range, they are also good for human consumption. So I'm very happy, and I just felt like showing you around and see how everything is proceeding like on the farm. Enjoy the video.
Faithful through the ages, God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant and faithful promises.